Hey, welcome to DNA Drives. Today's project calls for refinishing some handles on my old Husky Toolbox. Now, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing down below today for more videos just like this. Here on the channel, we focus on automotive content, bringing high quality, informational, and entertaining content. If you're into cars, this is the channel for you. So a little bit about me and my toolbox. I am a collision repair technician down here in Knoxville, Tennessee at one of the local dealerships. And in this video, I'll be kind of giving you a day in the life per se as a beginner paint tech. I am currently learning how to paint down here as I am a collision repair tech. So I'm going to kind of show you what this whole beginner process looks like in terms of a day in the life of a beginner paint tech. What I did for my toolbox here was, as you can see, the whole thing was covered in 2K primer. And as you may know, once 2K primer gets on something, it does not come off. I really wanted to bring back some life to these handles and give it a fresh new look with a new coat of paint. I started off by sanding my handles down with 180 grit, moving up to 320 and then a 600 grit finish. Right here in the video, this is the paint that I'll be using on my handles. I think it absolutely looks fantastic when the light hits it. Again, I just love the flop that it has, and I cannot wait to paint these handles. Next, we're going to clean off my handles and get them ready for paint. Here's what the handles look like. Here I'm walking to the paint room and I'm going to show you guys the color. We're going with a General Motors really cool bluish gray color, and this color has a really cool gold flop to it. I really like the way that this color looks, and I think it's going to look really good once this paint gets on the handles. Now, I did do a quick Google search on what kind of cars General Motors did put this paint on, and I wasn't able to really find anything. So I'm kind of curious what kind of cars this paint ended up on over the years. So if you know, comment down below. I'd love to hear what kind of cars that this paint ended up on. So after I mixed up that paint, it goes straight on the shaker to be mixed up. While that paint is on the shaker, we're going to go ahead and bring our handles in. I got a stand here and I put some cardboard up on it, laid my handles up on the top of the cardboard. Right here, we are going to prepare to paint. As you can see, I have my blue color that I'm going to spray the handles with, and I also have a black. I'm using the black paint as a sealer to ensure that when it is time to paint the handles that blue-gray color, that it'll cover the handles evenly and just look overall pretty good. I'm using the black paint that we have left over as a sealer. Now that we got the handles all painted, let's go ahead and take the handles outside and look at them underneath the sun. I think these handles turned out so amazing as is just indoors, but here we are for the final look. Dang, look at those handles. Those look so good. They especially look good with that gold and red metallic that is in that paint. It looks so good. The toolbox turned out awesome, I think. What do you think? Let me know down in the comments below what you think about the toolbox handles. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more videos just like this. And go on over to our channel and check out the other videos that we have on there. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video. Hopefully we'll catch you in the next one. Take care.